So guys, this is the setup with the Byron 776 8 volt built-in transformer chime, and so this is the cable coming in from the doorbell. The first thing is that what you need to do is you need to just simply copy my settings, and it should definitely start working. And what you can do is you can disconnect one of the cables from the door over here, run a cable over here to short this up, and then the trick part is you need to unscrew this terminal and remove the transformer cable. You see, it's this transformer wire from this connector, and insert it into the grey one, right? And after you've inserted this into the grey one, take the grey wire and connect it away, the grey white wire, connect it onto the same terminal. Got it? And then what you need to do is you need to take the white wire from this chime connector and connect it to the top bit over here, right? And from the doorbell, just plug this in over here, and it should 100% start working. I'll just show you a demo, guys, in a second. That's the doorbell. Here we go. So I've set it to 2 seconds. That's why it's a bit delayed. So you can change the settings as well. So hope you find this informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any comments and I'll reply back to you. Alright, bye for now, guys.